Hey, good days. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm very good.
I'm just not okay just because the coursework is piling up.
Hey, keep your head up. This semester is proving to be extremely difficult. Hey guys, let's discuss as usual if there's a problem.
Wow, okay. What is the topic here?
Because we're agricultural students, I want to ask about agriculture. Yesterday, I was traveling to Gunung Kidul area. I saw a lot of farmers working to control pests using pesticides. Pesticides are chemicals, right? Don't they harm the environment?
Oh, I understand that pesticides are chemical substances as well as microorganisms or viruses that are used to prevent pests and diseases that have the potential to damage crops and disturbs agricultural products.
Yes, that's right. But use the pesticide can also cause negative impact on the environment if they are not used wisely.
Oh, that's right. These pesticides also have many types, such as insecticides to control insects, fungicides for fungi and fungus, and herbicides for weeds.
Wow, it's turned out that there are many types of pesticides too.
Yep, not only that, there are also various application methods. Some are spraying for pesticides that are easily soluble in water and sowing for granular formulations of pesticides.
Oh yes, in addition to that, pesticide application can also be done by blowing, usually done on floor or dust formulation pesticide, and feeding. Feeding is mixing pesticide with food or certain materials that are preferred by the target pest. It is also ventilation using a smoker, which is often called swing food. It is only used for pesticides that can be mixed with kerosene or diesel so that they will form droplets in the form of smoke.
Didn't I explain the different type of pesticides? Do you know the difference between insecticides, fungicides, and herbicides?
I know insecticides are substances that contain chemical compounds that can kill all types of insects.
In my opinion, fungicides are materials that contain toxic chemical compounds and can be used to eradicate and prevent fungi.
Herbicide, on the other hand, is a type of chemical poison used to control weed pests.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You guys are really smart. I think during this lecture you just have to be present. Turns out I'm learning too.
Obviously,
By the way, do you know what kind of harm pesticide cause? I don't understand this.
I think pesticides can contaminate soil, water, turf, and other vegetation. In addition to killing insects or weeds, pesticides can be toxic to a host of other organisms, including birds, fish, beneficial insects, and non-target plants.
That's right. That's because pesticides move by being dissolved in water or attached to soil particles, which then cause pesticides residues in surface water that can harm plants and animals and pollute groundwater.
apart from the disadvantage, pesticides also have advantage, such as helping to preserve the environment, enabling farmers to produce more crops per unit area with less cultivation, thereby reducing deforestation and conserving natural resources and preventing soil erosion.
More specifically, pesticides can keep harmful pests such as mice, rats, ticks, and mosquitoes away from crops, while protecting crops from weeds and diseases which have the ability to greatly reduce crops' yields.
Wow, I did not think that studying together like this would increase our understanding of agriculture, right?
Yep, that's really true.
When are we going to study together like this again?
Anytime!